In 60 seconds, you'll learn how to remove a MacBook Activation Lock using the T203 tool. Follow each step carefully. First, confirm your MacBook model and macOS build to ensure T203 compatibility. Power off the MacBook and place it on a static-free mat before connecting the T203 cable. Attach the T203 cable to the MacBook's diagnostic connector, aligning the pins and securing the clip. On your companion PC, open the T203 application and choose the Mac Unlock option from the main menu. Confirm the software detects your MacBook serial and firmware version before proceeding. Click Start Unlock and allow the tool to read the system data. Do not disconnect during this step. Watch the progress bar and live log as T203 extracts activation data and applies the patch. When the software shows Unlock complete, the patch is finished and your MacBook is ready to reboot. Disconnect T203, power on the MacBook, and proceed through the setup to verify the activation lock is removed. If you encounter errors, recheck connectors, update T203 drivers, and consult the official support guide. That's it. Your MacBook Activation Lock is removed using T203. Visit the official guide for full safety details and advanced options.